Whoa, yo, you see them there? Top chef alone can't do that, they sitting there. Look. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, welcome back to Bar Spearfishing YouTube channel. And the video you guys are gonna be intense. For the next day and night, we are gonna build a shed so me not get wet, you see me? In case rain are gonna fall. Rain are gonna fall in the night, you see it. And then we are gonna cook some lovely food. But first, we have to start building the shed. So we are going to go up in the woods and cut some stick. So stay tuned. So guys, this the first tree you see. This is very straight. And if you can hear in the background, those are some parrot birds, you see me? You have like yellow bill and you have black bill. You hear them there? Yeah, that's our first one. Yeah, second one this guy, second one. So yeah guys, yeah man, me I want chapel in, you know guys. I mean I look for it in the house and I can't find it. So I have to walk about 45 minutes to one of my old camp place. I see me if we grab one of chapel in around there and go back. Wow! I will see how I sweat. Far me I come from, you know. It take me about 1 hour. I find them nice 2 pieces of stick them have to carry them, feel make up in shelter. So I cool down and continue working, okay. Woo! So guys, it'll get pretty late now. So I'm gonna start building my shed now. So watch what I go on. Like, share and subscribe. Move. We'll tie up now. So guys, yeah. See rat here? The end I rope I rat. So you rat goes so now boom, see rat. I go out fit on, you see it? So you go around here so. You see it and you go round the tree. So when you rat go round the tree now, guess where you rat go see? You rat go see one cat, so you cat. You rat now, run, so you run round the tree and come back round. You see it? Because you rat have one hole, you know. I see you hole around here so. So you rat go back down in the hole now. You see it? Yeah. But you rat now, kind of curious and come out back. You see it, you see if the cat I come for him still, but when he come out, oh, he go back up and the cat, so he go back down in the hole, you see me? Yeah. He go back down in the hole. Yeah man. Time to make a bed. Perfect. Well, as you can see guys, yeah man, me finish up the tent, you know, is it? Cause we go test you out and see what go on. Yeah. Yeah man, rain can't wet me up. It's so cozy. Rain can't wet me up. Plus me not put in a pillar and everything there yet. You know? Yeah, we take about probably 1 hour to make this guys. But that's soon time for you to cook something. But yeah, nice. Yes guys, after a long day of work, yeah man, time to start the cooking. You see, so I light up the fire and start the cooking now. So I cook the rice first guys. Yeah man, we wash the rice. If you pick it out first, you know. Yeah peeps, so when you know wash them in Jamaican rice, you have to clean them good. But the rice here clean still, is it? Rice are clean, you don't see nothing dirty in it. When you cook rice, the water for there, half finish over it. That's it. Bad chef there, you know. I have to go for me knife. A whole of butter me I use, you know, because it's a butter man. When I cook my rice, I have to have a whole of butter. So 1 stick of butter me I put in. Is it? 1 stick of butter. Little bit of salt, is it? See what making come to life. Done you know. Ooh. We are going to cook up spam. They make a camping food, guys. Yo, me can't eat off all of this, you know. Me can't eat off all of this, you know. Yeah. 2 of this me can't eat. Yo. We are going to put in the pot hot, you know. Whoa, yo, you see them there? Top chef alone can't do that, they sitting there, look. So they invest in me boy. Cut them up at 12 and get so tight. Ay! 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 Oh yeah. That's a yard man cooking going on. When I use wood fire. Right now. Yeah, so we are gonna cook up this now guys. See it? Yeah man, skin it because it's a skin fish. You see it? Wow, fire feels sweet. Fire wicked, you know? Very hot. Really cut, you know? See that Shelly? Nothing. Shelly belly a call that boy. Yeah, peeps. You feel this, see? Yes. So after a long day of work, a nice meal, isn't it? Big man meal. Oh. Wow. Right now guys, it's pretty late, probably about 11 o'clock. My belly full as it. It was a wonderful day, but hard work. So I'm gonna put up a camera and get some sleep. Wake up early in the morning and look for some breakfast. So catch you guys in the morning. So good morning. Yeah, man, good morning, guys. Yeah, how was the sleep? Fantastic. You know, earlier, look mosquito that bite, but after a while, it get look cool and things then stop. But the day soon light out. You see me? Some days I wait till the day light out. Oh, yeah, guys, we make it through the night. To be honest with you, that was a lovely, lovely sleep me get to see it. And I first look a mosquito, but after a while get cool and nice. So me get a nice sleep. Feel night now. See time there. 6:42. So I hope you guys enjoy. Man, remember to like, share and subscribe. Cause I'm gonna do some more camping. Serious some more camping. You know? I'm gonna start post video every Friday. You see me? Yeah, man. Every Friday morning. So like, share and do a subscribe.